6 pieces total. Today we're going to make a beautiful wall decor, and you will need 2 pieces of foam board. Cut one of the foam board in half. Tape the half to the side. These are cookie sheets. They came 2 in a pack. We're going to cut these and stick them onto the foam board. We cut the others off camera. We have 6 pieces total. We're going to glue it down like this and then trim off any excess foam board. Stick a ribbon of your choice on the white section. Stick to mirror on the ribbon like this. Stick bling wrap around the mirrors and between. Stick bling wrap to the sides.